Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to tell you how to make a dark or light theme. Which one do you like? Let's start. Alright guys, let's start. The first thing we need to do, we go through empty activity. Its name is dark and light theme, for example. Yes, it's a good name. And I press finish. I start my project. When I start my project, the first thing I need to do, I go through resources, values, and the styles.xml. As you can see in here, I have a default theme, app theme with color primaries, color primary darks, and color accent. The first thing I need to do, or I can do it or not. I press Shift and F6 together and I change this app theme to Material Design. I'm going to need another style, that is dark style. I'm making another style, Material Design.dark. The parent is AppCompat. Yes, and in that I need some items such as color primary and color primary dark. Okay, I need these two things. It's a color. Okay, I pick it red, for example, or I can take blue, but red it's better. Something in like here, I pick this color, and another one for color primary dark. I use little darker. Yes, it's very good. Color primary and color primary dark. That's it. This is my style. Material design.dark. We go through activity underline main.xml. First of all, it's not constraint layout. It has to be linear layout. The orientation should be vertical. I don't need this text view. I'm gonna make something now. Text view, match parent, wrap content, text size is 35 sp. Text is hello world, for example. Yeah, gravity center, and yes, I can see my hello world, and it margin 10 dp. Yes, it's good. And I'm going to need two buttons, linear layout, match parent, wrap content. Orientation is horizontal. And in this linear layout, I have a button match, save dp, wrap content, and the weight is 1. And another one. Yes, I have two buttons instead. Okay. Margin is 2dp, and for this is 2dp2. Okay, it has text is dark, text size is 25 sp, text color, I don't need this text color. Yes, that's enough. Text and text size, dark and light. When I press dark, it's gonna be dark theme, and light, it's gonna be light theme. Okay, it's really good. Dark and light. And they are going to need ID. The dark ID is theme2, for example, and the light is theme1. Yes. Okay, let's go through Java. Okay, in Java, the first thing I need to do, we go through main activity.java. before super.onCreate and set content view r.layout in here exactly. I write final shared preference. What is shared preference? I want to save it when I close my application. I want to save my theme. Shared preference, its name is shared, for example, equals get shared preference pref 1, for example, and 0. The mood is 0. The next thing is it's gonna be a boolean value, final boolean theme, or I say current theme. Current theme equals shared dot get boolean theme and true. Theme and true. Okay. The next thing I write if theme current theme equals, or better I say this, if current theme is false. Okay, this line of code, it means if current theme are false. If it is false, what should I do? I have a method called set theme. Set theme. Set theme r.style dot material design. Else set theme r.style dot material design underline dark. Yes, that's really good. Okay, the next thing I need to do, I had two buttons, theme 1 and theme 2. I'm going to cast them right here. Theme 1 equals find view by id r.id.theme1. Theme 2 equals find view by id r.id.theme2. The next thing we need to do, we have to set click listeners. Theme 1 dot set onClick listener new view dot onClick listener, and I'm gonna use this for theme 2. Yes, I want to save it. Shared preference dot editor equals shared dot edit editor dot put boolean in the key of theme and put false. Yes, and editor dot commit. I'm gonna use this for the second one, for the second button, and it's gonna be true. And the next thing, it's really important. It is this method. It's recreate. What does this do? It will reload our page. Recreate, it will reload our page. Okay, so it's important in this example. I use recreate for this. When I click on light, the activity will restart. Okay, yes, and this was our codes. It was very easy. Now let's test. Let's start our application. Let's have it on my cell phone, on my mobile phone. Okay, it's dark theme. When I press light, it's light theme. Again, dark and light, dark and light. Yes, it's very good. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe or like or turn on your notifications. Thank you and goodbye.